Hey guys, welcome to my channel Educational Hub Creators. So today we are going to see about the GST, that is Goods, Service and Taxes. Okay, watch my video up till end. You can know the many informations. Okay, as you can see, there are direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are that which are collected still now. Okay, like income tax, corporate tax, and property taxes. Indirect taxes are that these are totally known as GST. Okay, the indirect taxes are totally converted to GST, and there are 17 types of indirect taxes. Okay, how many? There are 17 types of indirect taxes which are included in GST. Okay, so as you know, there are GST is of different types, like you can know CGST, SGST and UTGST. Fine, and also IGST. Okay, what is CGST? What is CGST? That is Central GST. Okay, SGST is what? State GST. Fine. What is UT? Union Territory GST. Okay, and IGST is Integrated GST. This is also known as Destination GST. Okay, we will discuss about destination GST. What is central? As you know, central government collects the GST. It is known as central. State government, union territories like Delhi. Okay, Delhi, Pondicherry. Okay, etc. This comes under UTGST, and IGST is that destination tax. Why it is known as destination tax? As you know, it if it transfer from one state to other, means like from transferring from one state to other, what does it mean? It is that if a product is produced in AP and it is going to Telangana. Okay, Telangana means here they got the job and the taxation has to be paid to the Telangana. Okay, tax what is IGST? IGST will be paid to Telangana and the job has been created in AP. This is known as integral GST. Let us see here. CGST plus SGST. As you know, when you are shopping or something, you are buying, you will see like 18% of tax. 18% of tax. In this 18%, 9% will go to central government and again 9% will go to state government. Same applying to UT, means union territory. 9% will go to what? Central government and 9% will go to union territories. What is IGST? 9% will go to central. What I have said to you about IGST, it is a destination tax. Means if a good is produced in one state like AP and if it is going to Telangana, here the job will be produced, here the job will be produced and the taxation will be paid to, in case of IGST, taxation will be paid to Telangana, means 9% will be paid to Telangana. Okay, fine. This is known as IGST. There are different 4 types of GSTs. Now coming to GST in. Okay, let us see here. Now coming to GST in. What is GST in? That is Goods and Service Tax identification number. Okay, identification number. What is GST in? Goods and Service Tax identification number. It is of 15 digits. Okay, 15 digits. Keep in mind it is of 15 digits and it is given by GSTN. What is GSTN? Goods and Service Tax Network. Okay, network. Who will be giving the GST in? GST network. Keep in mind that is about 15 digits. Now coming to how it is given to GST in. This is, you can see 15 digits here. First 2 digits are the state code. Okay, what is that? State code. Okay, fine. Last means in the middle, whatever you are seeing the 10 digits, it is the PAN number. Okay, whatever the PAN card number is given to you, that is the 10 digits number, and this is the last 3 digits are given by GSTN. It is the specific numbers which are given by GST network. Yes, and the head of the GST council, means what is GSTC? GST council, Goods and Service Council. Okay, in this there are about 33 members. How many members there are? 33 members, and which is headed by finance minister. Okay, it is headed by finance minister. What is GST? GST council. It is the head that how much the taxation has to be paid, how much it has to be differ, that all is decided by GSTC. Okay, as you can see that the first GST started in which country? It is in France. Okay, first GST was started in France, and the Indian follows which country GST model? As you know, there is a Canadian model which is followed by India for collecting of GSTs. And first state to implement GST, which was the first state? It was Assam to implement the GST first. As you know, GST day is celebrated on 1st of July. Okay, GST day is celebrated on 1st of July. Coming to next, as you know that more of the companies, are established in are established are established in Mumbai, or you can say Maharashtra and Gujarat. Why? You know, at that time there was no GST. They were giving the less taxation to the companies. Okay, so due to that there were more companies in Gujarat and Mumbai. Okay, or you can say Maharashtra. But now the companies can be established anywhere in India, as the GST is applied, the same taxation will be applied in any of the states. So if you like my information, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.